Hello guys, today I am going to teach you how to do mirror moving pranks on Omegle. In this intro, you can see what I am going to do today. So before the video start, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to download and install OBS Studio. You can download it from official website. You can see I already have OBS Studio and now I am going to open it. Now you can see I already added my video capture device. Make sure your body didn't cross the mirror. Mirror need to be pulled over as mine. So you have to add your video capture device. Now start recording in OBS and watch back slowly like me. After record, don't move your mirror or chair and stay in your position. It's important. So after that, minimize your OBS and find the video location. Now open your video editing software. I'm using Filmora and going to drag and drop video to Filmora. So now I'm going to add that video to timeline and going to drop it. You can use your video editor, but you have to drop video like me. If you are using Filmora, you can follow my steps. We only need mirror and need to drop that. Now follow me carefully. After you have done everything, then export your video. Now again, open OBS Studio and add that video to OBS Studio. Click on Add Source and add Media Source. After that, you can select your video. Now all you have to do is place it correctly. Now you can see I have placed it correct position. After that, you have to drop it again. You can drop it in OBS. So press your keyboard Alt key and resize it to drop. To do mirror reflection, you have to do is play media source while talking with strangers. Now you are done, but you can't move your hand to mirror. You can move your hand to mirror after your mirror moving video disappears. Now click Restart Virtual Camera on OBS and open your browser. Now go to the browser settings and search camera in search bar. After that, go to the site settings and you can see camera is highlighted. Click on that and select OBS Virtual Camera. Mine was renamed and it's shown as Logitech webcam. After you select OBS Virtual Camera and you have to do is close this tab and open Omegle website. I hope you guys learned something from this video. So don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thanks for watching.